It's almost Christmas time and I'm out showing houses to a client that's not with me. This happens quite often. Someone from out of state wants to move to Utah and they want me to look at houses for them, so I gladly do it. But if you're looking to buy a house in Utah here in the near future, you might want to watch this video because I'm looking at houses in Eagle Mountain. That's one of the least expensive areas and it's going to keep you 30 to 50 minutes from Salt Lake City. We are going to be looking at an existing townhome, a brand new townhome, and then we're going to look at a brand new single family home because my client can afford a single family home, but she is preferring to be a little more cautious with her funds. We're going to talk about pricing, square footage, bedrooms, bathrooms, and all that jive, and see if that's something that sounds good to you. We just arrived at the first location, which is the existing townhome. This is probably gonna be the best deal, but once again, you're dealing with a used place as opposed to a brand new place. And in the description, I'll put all the information for all three of these houses, and I'm just gonna do a quick tour. We wanna go fast, show you these houses quick, tell you pricing so you can get a good idea of what you can get here in Utah right now, out in Eagle Mountain. Now, with it being Christmas time in Utah, you're probably wondering, where's all the snow? This is like the warmest Christmas time we've ever had in Utah. It's like 52 degrees or something out here. It's pretty crazy. Normally we would have snow on the ground. Okay, so here is the townhome right here. You got single family homes on the side of that fence there. More townhomes across the way. Little playground, I don't know if you can see it. Let's zoom in. Right over there. Let's check this thing out. All right, so you can see when you step in the front door, you've got the kitchen through there and your family room. You got stairs going up right there. So you got this nice little window through here. This looks down into the kitchen, but this gives you a feel for the size of this room right here. That's your stairs to the basement. We'll go down there in a second. Dining area right here, and then looking into kitchen over here. So these appliances are newer. The house was just painted. Let's look at the backyard real quick. So this is nice for a townhome that they actually have a fenced backyard, and it's actually a brand new fence. So let's go down to the basement super quick. The first bedroom is down here. You can see you've got a bathroom right here, an extra fridge there, sink, washer, dryer, water softener, furnace, and here is the third bedroom in the house. This is actually a very large bedroom. See a big window right there. This is storage under the stairs right here. So you got some storage here and closet right here. Let's head back upstairs. Now headed to the upstairs section of the home. That's the master bedroom there. We'll check that out in a second. You got a little linen closet. You got a bathroom right here with a shub. Bedroom number 2. This also is a big bedroom. Got a couple windows and a nice big closet. All right, this is the master bedroom right here. And you can see, big room, vaulted ceilings, got a fan here. Here's the closet. Okay, so it's a decent sized room. This is your bathroom. That's a great little place here. I'll put pricing and square footage and all that information in the description below, but we're gonna go check out the next place. This is located behind the Chevron in the Ranches of Eagle Mountain. And if you're not familiar with Eagle Mountain, it kind of consists of 2 cities. The Ranches is closer to Saratoga Springs, Lehigh, Salt Lake City, and City Center is further down, about 10, maybe 15 minutes further from this location. So we're gonna head there next to look at the brand new townhomes. Obviously, we need to take drive time into consideration. So I'm gonna time how much further it is from this location to the one in City Center. This is a nice little area. There's a little pizza right there. There's a couple little restaurants. You got Jurassic Tacos. You even got the gas station right there, Chevron. And to get out of here, if you're heading to Salt Lake City or wherever, you can go straight or you can go right down that road there. And if you're considering moving to Eagle Mountain, I do have a video, which I would recommend that you watch after this one, which gives you a tour of Eagle Mountain. So you can kind of get a feel of what the town is like and how far you are from, different places. We're just about 1 minute away. And so it's about a 10-minute drive. Well, in all honesty, I'm probably a better realtor than I'm a driver. So I do go kind of fast, So we'll say 11 minutes from the other location. This is the new townhome down in city center of Eagle Mountain. Once again, you're probably 11 to 12 minutes further from the other location. So when you step in, you can see straight up the stairs. You got the kitchen off this direction. This is your coat closet right here. And you've got the garage right here. 2-car garage. Got your little bathroom right here. Stairs to the basement. We'll go down there last. Your family room, dining area, and kitchen. This is a nice wide open space here. You can see the backyard has not been completed. I'm guessing that it will, and it's looking like you probably will have some space there. But you can see all the space here. Get a close look at the kitchen. And the pantry. Let's go check out the upstairs real quick. Got the master bedroom to the right. We'll check that out last. This one gives you 3 bedrooms upstairs. I'll step in this corner just super quick. You can have a pretty standard closet back there. This is bedroom number 2. Once again, standard closet. Bathroom right here. You can see, pretty standard. And the master bedroom. And this is a nice sized room. It's got a little baby vault there and a fan. So that's some good space. Walk-in closet here. And here's your bathroom. Double sinks. Toilet back in here. Shub with a window. And a linen closet. Okay, let's head on down to the basement. Once again, the other place had the basement finished, so that's a big advantage compared to this one. But turn on some lights, it's kind of scary down here. It's pre-plumbed for a bathroom right here. You got a little storage underneath the stairs there. And we'll step into this corner here to give you a feel for the extra space down here. Now we're gonna go look at the single family home. Once again, this is a brand new home and it's in Silver Lake of Eagle Mountain. So it's about 15 minutes closer to Saratoga Springs. It's obviously the best location as far as being close to everything. The views from out here are pretty cool. There's not a lot of stuff out here. Look at all that room to play. I'm literally driving with my windows down at the end of December. That's how nice the weather is out here today. I'm not trying to be like some macho tough guy, drive with my windows down like I'm a wimp. I'm from Arizona, went to college in Hawaii, so I like warm weather, and I'm telling you, this is crazy. It's crazy. Honestly, I shouldn't make live videos because I have ADD and I just get a little out of hand, a little annoying. So I am driving from city center towards Silver Lake, and look how cool the views are from here. I mean, it's just beautiful. There's the single family home. It is priced at $515,000, right in that range. You step into the family room, you got the stairs going up and the basement right there. 9-foot ceilings here. You can see there's a ceiling fan as well. And this is a nice big open space. This house is 2,800 total square feet. So it has an unfinished basement, which means it's probably closer to 2,200 finished, maybe 23. You can see you got a nice kitchen here. We'll check that out in a second. But you have your little bathroom here on the main floor, your coat closet right here, 2-car garage with a window in it. Then kitchen pantry right here, nice big pantry. And look how cool this kitchen is. That is a nice kitchen, nice big island right there. And you can see nice wide open space here. You can see the backyard here as well. It's a nice sized backyard. Okay, let's head up the stairs. It's nice that this is open, lets that natural light in. And you can see the door here is super tall with a window. As you come up the stairs, you can see they got all those windows there. That is the master bedroom in front of you. We'll check that out last. Storage right here. And the laundry room right there. Okay, this is bedroom number 1. And they just have standard closets in them. Here's your bathroom. Look at the counter in this thing. Man, if you had all girls, they'd be in heaven with that thing. Toilet. Bedroom number 2. And here's bedroom number 3. You can see this is a nice big room. Got those nice windows in there. You can see tall ceilings right here with a ceiling fan. Double sinks right here. I'll show you that in a second here, but you got your toilet area back through here. A nice big walk-in closet. A good view of that vanity, which is huge, and a separate tub with a window and a shower back here. Hi, that is a good looking reflection. Obviously, you look at the single family home and you're like, I want that one. I like that one better. But the price difference can be significant. There's nothing wrong with going with a townhome. That might be the best option, but there are advantages to having a house as well. So once again, all the information for all these houses, you'll be able to find that in the description below. At that last house that I showed you, there is a really nice park really close by. So if you have children or pets, it's nice to have that. Now, if you're thinking about buying a house in Utah, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'd love to help you. If you need me to walk through homes or help you decide which location is the best for you, I'm always willing to tour homes for you like I did for this wonderful client in California. And hopefully she's coming here soon to see the houses for herself. And other than that, we will catch you guys next time.